Wagwan Massive. You don't know it's your girl Whitney.
And it's your boy Jessie.
And we are back, guys. We are back.
We're back with an update, alright?
Yes.
I know we've been gone for a minute, but hear me out. We got a good reason why, okay?
A few good reasons.
Not clickbait, alright? Not clickbait. Look, listen. That's what I'm in right now. Oh, can y'all see it?
You gotta scoop back.
Woo!
Yeah, that's what's going on right now with Jessie and him foot.
So I broke my leg, but we'll get to that in a second. I'll tell you the story of why in a second, alright? But other things that's been going on.
Yeah. We
just got back from Jamaica, y'all, and it was fun. We didn't really go down there as like a vacation, but her mom asked her, so we went down there to support her. Yes, we did a video on it, but that video will be posted later on. It won't be in this.
Well, it wasn't about the surgery.
Right.
It wasn't about the surgery. It was just about us, you know, being down there, supporting her and stuff. So
yeah,
you guys will get to see that later.
And in 2 days, we finished to go to Arizona to visit my mom.
Yep.
Alright, so we're gonna also record that. So we definitely have more videos coming up, you guys. But it's just, you know, it's hard to get around. It's hard to do stuff, I'm telling you.
The boy broke his foot, people.
Man,
the
listen.
boy broke his foot. Eh?
Bro, I don't know anybody who ever rode crutches. They know it sucks. Like, it was fun making like riding crutches just for fun. You know what I'm saying? But when you actually need them, oh, it's terrible, y'all. Man, it's terrible. But I got a new scooter. I probably show a clip of that.
Yeah, we could probably show you like riding on it. I got a clip of him riding on the scooter, y'all. We are same at Panits.
Yeah, the scooter is like it's a lifesaver, way better. But yeah, we're doing good. I appreciate all you guys reaching out to us on our Instagram and everything, asking about us. Are we doing okay? We really love that. We are live. We doing good, y'all. Okay, we are good. You know, bless up yourself, everybody who reached out. We appreciate that. Much love to you.
I second that.
But another reason we haven't really posted that much, y'all. We kind of got in trouble a couple times. Alright, so we got a couple of strikes on our channel. Y'all know how we are. We be posting some crazy stuff sometimes. So yeah, we got some strikes. So we gotta like calm down just a little bit. You know.
We gotta reevaluate.
Yeah. So we gotta just be more careful with the videos and the things we post and the stuff we saying and stuff like that.
And the thumbnails.
So,
We've been getting in trouble a lot for thumbnails.
Yeah, so we just gotta be more careful, you know what I'm saying? That's all for that. Alright, to the story. Alright, so I know y'all dying to hear what happened. What's going on, Jessie? What happened to your leg? How'd you break your leg? What you doing? Skiing? No. No skiing, no hockey, no basketball, football, none of that. Alright, so I was actually at work, y'all. Let me tell you how I went. So I was at work, and you know, we just in the office, just doing paperwork. Then we got a call. Hey guys, it's a big drug house going on right now. It's a lot of people out there gambling, selling dope, you got guns, you got money. The guy was like, you got $100,000. I can see it, $100,000 on the table right now. Come on, y'all, come on here, come get it. So we jump in our cruisers, you know, especially when we jump in our cruisers, go down to the house. Man, they was like, okay, my unit was like, who's gonna take the back, who's gonna take the front? So I'm like, I'm gonna take the back, me and my partner. The other guys was like, no, we'll take the back. I was like, no, we already said we'll take the back. I should let them take the back. So the back was a huge field. It was a ginormous green field. So this grassy field in his back. Me and my partner, we pull up. Everybody else go to the front. So me and my partner, we run towards the back door. And when my guys hit the front, everybody started running towards the back. Like everybody started running towards us. Yeah, I'm telling you, it was like 19. No, it was 20 people. I think it was 20. It was like 20 or more people. But like I'm telling you, majority of them ran towards the back to get away. So we back there, like, everybody get down, everybody get down, everybody get down. some people got down, but some people just kept running, man. So it was a gate. Some guys had hopped the gate. So man, I started chasing this guy. He was gone, bro. This dude was gone. So I just went full speed at him. Just going.
Thinking he Usain Bolt.
Man,
taking off.
Listen. When you run for me, you ain't getting away. All right. Nobody has got away from me so far. Nobody's got away from me so far. Anyway, this guy is taking off. So my safety first, I made sure my partner is good. He back there. He got everybody else while I'm chasing this one dude. So man, I'm chasing this dude. He's on the side of me, but he's in front of me. He's on the side. So I'm looking at him and I'm running because it's a gate between us. I'm trying to like get ready to hop this gate. So he's running and I'm running and I'm just staring at him, catching up slowly. You know, you get excited, so you get that tunnel vision. You don't even pay attention to nothing else. Oh man, there was a big hole in the grass. So I'm running full speed to get ready to turn. And all of a sudden, my leg get caught in that hole. And I'm running full speed. And then all you hear is and I just roll. Man.
Y'all imagine him, as big as he is, rolling.
225 pounds. Listen though, it's not even that. Just I was so embarrassed because all of these guys we got on the ground just looking at me, just watching me. I'm like, I just fell and rolled in front of all these people.
If I was there and I was on the ground, I'd be cracking up. Like, that's what you did. I'd be hee and ha-ha.
That was crazy, man. So anyway, I get up and I'm like, at first I'm like just trying to shake it off because I didn't think much of it. But as soon as I walked on it, I almost fell again. I was like, ooh. So I couldn't put no pressure. So I had to like limp my way to my cruiser, So I jumped in my cruiser. But first, before I jumped in my cruiser, hold on, I'm skipping the part. So I sat there for a minute. I just sat there, pretending like, I kind of fell on the ground on purpose, Pretend like nothing was wrong. I looked around. I see the guy still running. He ran behind the house. So then I heard, hey, he ran behind his house. So some other cruisers pulled up, went behind the house, got him. I got up and just started limping to the car. Like, oh. So I jump in the car, put my foot on the gas. I can barely like just press my foot on the gas. It was killing me, y'all. So pulled around to the front, just parked, just sitting there. Went to my Sarge, Sarge. Man, I messed my leg up. Like, we might as well go. Just forget it. Come on, let's go. So, jumped right to the hospital. They told me I got 2 fractures, y'all.
Hold on. And then what you do to me? What you text me and say?
What I text you and say? I forgot.
He gonna text me, y'all. Got me over here shook, panicking, all kinds of stuff. Meet me at the hospital. I'm sitting here like, wait, hold on, what? Mind you, I'm washing clothes, okay? I'm in nowhere, like I'm not even in good clothes. I'm just in the house clothes, washing clothes, straightening up. He gonna text me meet me at the hospital. Now I'm starting to panic. I'm like, what happened? What's going on? I call him right away. What's wrong? He gonna say, nothing. I just, what you say?
I said I just broke my leg.
Yeah. I'm like, don't ever text me no stuff like that talking about don't meet you at the hospital. You better explain what you mean. Cause now you got me worried.
At first it wasn't even hurting that bad, but it just started hurting more and more over time. Like,
because you still had that adrenaline. Yeah, that's
I'm
what
sitting
that
there
is.
walking on it, trying to pretend like ain't nothing wrong, but yeah, it was jacked up. So it's like 2 broken bones, but they're not all the way completely broken. Like they still together, but they cracked. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Monday we go for the next appointment. And I'll find out if I can walk on it again. Right now, I can't put no pressure on it at all, y'all. No pressure. So it sucks. So, yeah, that's why I've been gone for a little bit. All right. So, Hope y'all understand this. You know, I know some of y'all are like, ain't no excuse. Ain't no excuse. I understand. Ain't no excuse. I understand. You gotta keep the grind. You gotta keep hustling. That's what anything in life. You gotta keep hustling. Keep moving no matter what. You see, we here today. You know, telling you guys what happened. So, if anybody ever broke a bone before, an arm, a leg, or whatever,
a limb,
comment below. Let us know. I know for me, it sucked. At first, they had a cast on, but luckily they took the cast off. But man, I had the cast on. It was itching. You can't scratch it. Oh my goodness, it was terrible. Taking a shower, like man, it was so hard. But now I got this boot on. It's a lot easier to do a lot of stuff. So.
Hey y'all, why he keep having dreams about walking and running?
Man, I've been having so many dreams about walking and running. Who dreams about running? I just dream about running. Like that jump crazy.
You?
Literally just running, just jogging. I don't know where I was going or why, but just running. Like wow, that's crazy.
He wake up like every day talking about some, babe, I had a dream that I was walking. I had a dream that I was jogging. I'm like, who go to sleep and dream about that? Like who? I don't.
It's crazy. Yeah, that's wild. It's so good to be back, you guys.
And don't forget to hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. Comment down below, guys, on this video. I make Uno for the miss week. Yeah? Cause we miss Uno. I'm not gonna lie.
That means what she just said. Let me translate real quick. Some people was like, hey, I need to start translating y'all stuff. What she said is, let us know if you miss us because we miss you guys.
Right. I didn't think that was too deep. That wasn't too deep. They could understand that.
I don't know.
Yes, they could.
It depends.
I think so. Well, let us know if you understood what I said. Comment down below and say that too.
All right, y'all. Love you guys.
Yes. Stay blessed.
Yep, until next time.